guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this dramatic glam for Valentine's Day. If you're interested in doing a full-on beat and going all out, as you should, for Valentine's Day, I added rhinestones, glitter, all that good stuff. So if you are interested, keep watching, like, subscribe, and enjoy. All right, y'all, let's get into this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm about to do my brows. I'm gonna come back on camera because I already have a tutorial on my brows. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, period. We are back. And the brows is on and concealed. See, this is why I don't put on a wig whenever I do my makeup. It's only because I'm coming from work and I wanted some time to do my makeup. I love doing my makeup. I want to get back into it because how you expect to be good when you're not practicing?
It's facts! It's not facts. These sizes are not facts.
You know. Anyways, besides the point. Now I'm finna go in with the NYX Studio Photogenic, you know, HD concealer. Oh, can you see that? I stay using NYX, but I'm going to put that on my eyelid to create a base so that when we put our eyeshadow on, it's gonna pop. Yeah. To set it because of the simple fact that it keeps creasing, which is annoying. So I'm gonna do that right now. Ooh, I showed the concealer, right? Yeah, so now I'm going in now I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in light. Yes ma'am, light. All right, I lightly set it by taking the back of my beauty blender and just dampen it. Well, yeah, just patting it in here and then just setting it on my eyes. So now we finna get into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this palette, the Berries palette by Juvias Place. So I'm gonna take this shade. Love a fake makeup artist. No, let me stop. Yeah, I just do this for fun. But I'm not gonna blend it just yet. I'm just gonna pack it on where I want it. Create the shape that I want around my eye, and also for that color to build up as well. I hope you guys can see me. Now I'm gonna go in with this blending brush, and it's clean, 100% clean. I'm gonna go in with this color and blend it into what we just put right there. So I'm gonna just blend it. Start blending now. So now I'm going to be going in with this shade here and focusing that right in the crease just to add more depth into my crease. And you want to start out with a little bit because you don't want to add too much because you can't take it away. You want to go little by little, you know. So now I'm gonna be going in with this shade to make the crease just a little bit more dark. Add a little more depth into it. Now I'm going back into this shade right here in the middle, and then just lightly dusting that on the top and just lightly blending it out. And now I'm going back in with that pink right here in this middle, and then just blending it all out. Okay, I just wanted to turn on the light to show y'all this is how it's coming out, because I feel like it's really not picking it up that good on camera, but she looked good. All right, so now I'm going to cut my crease with the same NYX concealer that I used to prime my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this concealer brush and cut my crease. I usually put a little bit on the back of my hand. Got an artist at work. This is my palette. So I just realized the way I cut my crease is I start in the inner corner of my eye, and then I just drag it out to the side, right? Yeah. And then I lift my eye up, and then you see that little mark right there? I'm gonna use that as a sketch, basically, to carve out the cut crease. Use it as a guide, that's the word I was looking for. And then I will put some more in the middle here. Slowly lift my eye up. Hold on, let me see if I'll do it. There we go. See that? Ooh, child. And then just carve it out. You need like serious concentration when it comes to this. Stop like right here. Yeah, going to set this cut crease. I'm going back in with this, and I'm gonna set it with one of these brushes I got. So now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I like to do my liner before I put on glitter. I'm gonna start in my outer corner and take the line up. Ooh, child, that was nerve-wracking. Now I'm gonna be going in with my NYX glitter primer. Apply this all on the base where we put our cut crease, so that we can get ready to put on some glitter. Now I'm gonna go in with some glitter. I think I got this off of Instagram. I think the name of it is Dulzura Cosmetics. Dulzura. It's with a Z. It comes stacked, but I'm gonna go in with the pink glitter. Right, this brush, little brush at the end, and just dab it on. That's pretty much it. Yeah, one thing I don't like about glitter is how messy it gets. Really ghetto. Now I'm gonna go back in with this shade, the darkest one, and then just pack the color on right there. Now I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil and just line under my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with some rhinestones, and I'm gonna use the pink ones, the pinkish purplish ones that matches my look. And I got these off of Amazon. And I went in with some lash glue from Poppy and Ivy, and where I made those dots is where I'm going to place the rhinestones. Mix these two shades and then just work it under our eye. Pretty much done with this side. Could this pick it up? Huh. And we didn't even put on any lashes yet. And I didn't even do the whole face. But we're gonna get there, we're gonna get there. Let me just do the other side and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So now I'm gonna just do the rest of my face. I'm gonna brush this off or just remove it somehow. And what I used was the Garnier Micellar, just the cleansing water. Yeah, this is really like a makeup eraser. Like, ooh, child, she comes in clutch.
I will be your dentist.
Why I feel like I look like a porcelain doll. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you recreate the look, tag me, of course, on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. But I'm feeling myself as I should. Finna go out with my mans. Nah, but yeah, don't I look good? Yeah, y'all, hope you enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.